In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly create a contract in Pandadoc. We're going to walk through the full process from a blank start to sending a ready-to-sign contract, so you can follow along in your own Pandadoc account as I explain each part. First, let's create the document itself. From your Pandadoc dashboard, look towards the top or side of the screen for the option to create something new. Click on the New button, then choose Document. You'll see different ways to start, but in this case, select the option to upload or select a file. This is where you bring in your contract template or the base document you want to turn into a signable agreement. Once the file is uploaded, Pandadoc will open it in the editor. Next, you need to add your recipients. These are the people who will review and sign the contract. In the Recipients section, add each person's name and email address. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, because any mistakes will prevent them from receiving the document. You can add multiple recipients if more than one person needs to sign or review. Now let's add or edit the contract text. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a text block element. Click and drag that text block into the document editor and drop it wherever you need to add terms, conditions, or any additional clauses. You can type directly into this block, format the text, and make sure the language of your contract is clear and complete. Once your text is ready, it's time to place the fields your recipients will interact with. Still on the right-hand side, find the signature field and drag it onto the document, positioning it where the signer should sign. Do the same with the date field, placing it near the signature or wherever your contract requires a date to be entered. You can resize and reposition these fields as needed, so everything looks clean and professional. After placing your fields, you must assign each one to the correct recipient. Click on a field and a small floating menu or drop-down will appear. From that drop-down, choose which recipient is responsible for that signature or date. Repeat this for every field you've added. This step is important because it tells Pandadoc exactly who needs to fill out what. When everything looks good, you're ready to send. Click on Review and Send. Pandadoc may show you a quick summary of recipients and fields. Click Continue, and then choose Send Document. Your contract will be emailed to the recipients, and they'll be able to open, review, and sign it electronically.